Hello, dear student. Welcome to our listening practice. My name is Anna. I am a homemaker. Today, I will show you my daily routine. Please listen. Repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just breathe and try. You can do it. Let's begin. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is not yet bright. I stretch my arms. I feel quiet. I look at my husband. He is sleeping. I smile. This is my favorite time of the day. I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. Today is Japanese breakfast. Rice, miso soup, grilled fish, and pickled vegetables. My family loves it. I prepare the bento boxes for lunch. A bento box is a small lunch box with rice, meat, and vegetables. It is beautiful and healthy. I put a small smiley face made of carrots. It makes my children happy. At 7 o'clock, I wake up my children. Good morning, my loves. Time to eat. My son, Leo, is 7. My daughter, Mia, is 5. They rub their eyes. I help them wash their faces. Then my husband, Kenji, comes to the table. We eat together. We talk a little. I feel happy when we are together. After breakfast, I wash the dishes. I clean the table. I sweep the floor. I do this every day. Some people think it is boring. But for me, it is a way to show love. A clean home feels good. I sing a little song in my head. At 9:30, I go to the supermarket. I buy vegetables, eggs, milk, and tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans. It is cheap and healthy. I see my neighbor, Mrs. Tanaka. She smiles. Anna, your children are so polite, she says. I feel proud. I am not just a homemaker. I am a teacher of kindness. At 10:30, I do the laundry. I put the clothes in the washing machine. Then I hang them outside. The sun is warm. The wind smells like flowers. After 1 hour, I take the dry clothes. I fold them carefully. Shirts, pants, socks. Everything has a place. I feel calm. At 12 o'clock, I take a break. I make green tea. I sit by the window. I read a book for 10 minutes. This is my self-care moment. I breathe slowly. I think, I work hard. I deserve rest. Sometimes I close my eyes and listen to the birds. It is simple, but it fills my heart. At 2 o'clock, the children come home from school. Mom, I'm hungry, says Leo. Mia says, me too. I prepare a snack. Apple slices, cheese, and rice crackers. We sit together at the table. They tell me about their day. Leo learned about dinosaurs. Mia drew a rainbow. I listen. I love their voices. At 3:30, we do homework. Mia practices writing the letter A. Leo solves math problems. I help them. Good job. Try again. You are smart. I am not a teacher, but I teach patience. Learning takes time, like learning English. Be patient with yourself. At 5 o'clock, I start cooking dinner. Tonight is curry rice. I cut carrots, potatoes, and onions. The smell is wonderful. Kenji comes home at 6. He helps me cut the chicken. We cook together. He says, Anna, you are the heart of this house. I almost cry. I feel seen. At 7 o'clock, we eat dinner together. Everyone says, itadakimasu. That means I humbly receive in Japanese. We talk and laugh. Leo tells a joke. Mia drops her spoon. Kenji cleans it. I look at them. My heart is full. These small moments are my treasure. At 8:30, I give the children a bath. Then I read a bedtime story. Tonight, the very hungry caterpillar. They fall asleep. I kiss their foreheads. Good night, my loves. Now it is 10 o'clock. The house is quiet. I sit alone. I think. Being a homemaker is invisible work, but it is important. I am important. I prepare things for tomorrow. Then I go to sleep at 11:30. Good night, dear student. You did a great job today. Keep practicing. You are learning. And that is beautiful. Thank you for listening to my routine. If you liked this video, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more listening practice. Share with a friend who is learning English. You are not alone. Every day you improve a little. I believe in you. See you next time. Bye-bye.